Hello guys, welcome back to the Super Easy Drawings YouTube channel. Now, I will draw and color Pocoyo. Wow. As you can see, Pocoyo now has the body of a mermaid. Okay, let's start it. First, let's draw his hat. Wow. I love drawing so much. Don't forget guys, please subscribe and like this video. Come on, let's draw together. Then I draw his face. I draw his eyes. And I draw Pocoyo's smiling mouth. And next, I draw his hands. Wow, you look? Pocoyo is so handsome. And now, I made the mermaid's body. Then, I made clothes for Pocoyo, so he wouldn't get cold, guys. And now, let's make Pocoyo mermaid tail. Wow. It's so amazing. The Pocoyo mermaid is almost finished. Let's make the tail fin part of the Pocoyo mermaid. What do you think? Is the picture I made good? And how to draw it is also very easy, right? Yes. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see more of my drawing tutorials. And now, let's make detailed scales on Pocoyo's mermaid tail. Hooray! That's done. Let's color Pocoyo with a mermaid body. I colored the tail fin with red color. Orange, which is a suitable color for the scales. Then, look at Pocoyo wearing green clothes. Then I gave yellow color to Pocoyo's body. Green color to his hat. And yes, finally we have finished making the Poco. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much and see you next time.